Today, our topic is very wondering, amazing, fascinating topic about fascinating facts about azure beetle. I mean, Billiard. You should discover, you should know these top 10 facts. I am going to describe top 10 facts about Billiard. Fact number 1. The azure beetle is not a beetle at all. Contrary to its name, the azure beetle is not a beetle but a type of butterfly. Its vibrant blue color and intricate wing patterns often lead people to mistake it for a beetle, for a billiard. But it is not just like billiard. Billiard actually, like a butterfly, can fly in the air. Fact number 2. Native to tropical rainforests, these mesmerizing creatures are native to lush tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests around the world, they thrive in warm and humid environments where they can find an abundance of nectar and flowers. Fact number 2 is actually describing regarding that billiard or this beetle belong to a Amazon forest, rainforest, native from Amazon forest. This is the real fact regarding billiard. Fact number 3. Exceptional aerial acrobats. Azure beetles are known for their exceptional flying abilities. This is the wonderful creature of Allah Almighty. Even she is a azure beetle, she is a billiard, but she can fly. Male and female, though both can fly. So they perform intricate aerial maneuvers, darting and gliding through the air with grace and precision. Diverse species and colors. Fact number 4. There is a wide variety of azure beetle species, each displaying different shades of blue. Some have iridescent wings that shimmer in the sunlight, while others have matte blue wings with contrasting pattern. Fact number 5. They undergo metamorphosis. This is very interesting fact. Similar to other butterflies, azure beetles go through a remarkable metamorphosis process. They start as tiny eggs, hatch into caterpillars from a chrysalis, and eventually emerge as fully grown adult butterflies. This is the fact of regarding generation of billiard and growth of billiard and the process of generation regarding billiard. Fact number 6. Important pollinators. Azure beetles play a crucial role in pollination as they flutter from flower to flower in search of nectar. They inadvertently transfer pollen, aiding in the reproduction of various plant species. This is a very helpful creature of Allah Almighty in the sport of mankind, because this is the natural source of pollination in the flowers in the gardens, which provide this creature by this creature to the mankind. to the benefits of mankind. Facts number 7. Fascinating courtship rituals. During mating season, male azure beetles engage in elaborate courtship rituals to attract females. They perform mesmerizing dances in the air, showcasing their vibrant colors and wing displays. This is the courtship process of creature of Billiard. Fact number 8. They have a short lifespan. Despite their enchanting beauty, azure beetles have relatively short lifespans. Most species live for only a few weeks as adults, with the majority of their lives spent in the larval and pupal stages. Fact number 9. Mimicry as a defense mechanism. To deter potential predators, some azure beetle species have developed mimicry techniques. They imitate the colors and patterns of toxic or venomous butterflies, tricking predators into thinking they are dangerous. This is the way of defense by this wandering creature against predators, against dangerous time. Fact number 10. Conservation concerns. Due to habitat destruction and climate change, many azure beetle species are facing threats to their survival. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these stunning creatures and preserve their natural habitats for future generations to appreciate. As you know, dear friends, nowadays there is climate change and there is lot of changes in the ocean, in the rainforest. Mankind destroy the wildlife. So this effect is also destroying the survival of Billiard and beetles in the rainforest, in the Amazon forest. So we should try, we should help, we should support the organizations who are trying to save the wildlife because these are the beneficial for the mankind. That's all. Now we can discuss about most related questions about Billiard. Are Billiards aggressive? Billiards are not known to be aggressive like bees. They typically don't pose a threat unless provoked or disturbed. Question number 2. Can Billiards fly? Male Billiards have wings and are capable of flying, while the females are wingless and dwell on the ground. Oh, you can't imagine that what kind of this wandering creature. Male can fly, but female cannot fly. So this is very, very interesting creature, Billiard in the Amazon forest. Question number 3. How do Billiards reproduce? Billiards reproduce through mating. The males lift the wingless females in the air during mating, and the females then harvest the eggs and take care of the offspring. Question number 4. Are Billiards harmful to plants? Billiards are not harmful to plants. In fact, as pollinators, they play a beneficial role in the reproduction of various plant species. Question number 5. Can Billiards sting humans? Female Billiards can sting if disturbed. Their sting can cause pain, burning sensation, swelling, and itching, especially for those who are allergic. However, compared to other insects like bees, Billiards are relatively